Alrighty guys, we have the Hyundai Santa Cruz. Very nice little truck. We're gonna take a step in, see how it feels. Oh, a little bit tight getting in there. Seats are very nice. Let me see here. Everyone's going to the mechanical. There we go. All right, good amount of space. Very, very large infotainment center. You got 2 different USB ports. You also got a 12-volt right there. Have this right here. With that nice button, that's very nice. Fairly nice interior look, definitely simplistic. You do have the manual and mechanical seats. So let me roll this forward here. There we go. So just have that all the way up. Go into the back here. Cup holder. And let's see here. There's nothing to grab onto getting in. So there we go. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's like very well hidden right there. We got, let's see. Yep, no armrests. It comes down all up. Okay, that's interesting. Nothing back here, so like no air vents, no USB plugs. So very simplistic design, but fairly comfortable. Fairly comfortable. Very nice door design. Let's see, close that here. Wow, not bad. Actually, pretty good amount of arm room. Got some nice lights right there. And yeah, not bad for a little truck. I like it. So not bad at all. And definitely a good amount of space there getting in and out of with the door, how the door opens. So very good. So continue the tour on the outside. We had the nice little GDI engine in there. Fairly nice exterior styling, looks pretty good. It definitely has its own unique style that looks really good. Looks like a nice little truck. Have a fairly good amount of space there in the bed. Not too shabby, pretty decent. And nice Hyundai styling on the back actually. Nice Santa Cruz Hyundai. Nice mirrors, looks good. Not bad. Fairly good little Santa Cruz. I like it. I like that little truck. Definitely think Maverick kind of wins out, just if I remember the pricing and stuff like that out. But definitely like it. And here's that nice cactus green color as well, which was very, very cool to see online. But it looks much better in person. It looks good. I like it. All right. Very, very cool.